Hi guys, welcome to this episode of Dinaz Moments. Yeah guys, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my encounter with my friends a few days ago. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, so you can be notified every time we upload a video. So in this episode of Dinner's Moment, you guys, for some time now, sometimes when you feel that things are not going well in your life, when you're down, when you feel like everything is just stagnant, like you're stuck, your followers are not going the way you expect them to, your followers are no longer growing, or you no longer get engagement on your posts, and for some time now I have been like, Asha, business has been so dull. Yeah, the business has been so dull, but I've been thankful to God for that, because it has given me the opportunity to actually have time for myself, my family, my hobby, and my baby, and my business. Yes, it has given me time to create content, content that really connects with me. But then, in as much as we are grateful, in as much as I'm living a grateful life, I'm a grateful baby girl, like I am very grateful. I'm grateful for every single thing. Sometimes I just close my eyes when I feel like I'm no longer moving. Like when I feel like I'm stuck, I just close my eyes and I sing, count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what Lord has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise you what the Lord has done. So you guys, a few days ago, I think that was 2 or 3 days ago, I woke up, I called my assistant in the studio. I told her I wouldn't be coming in on time today because I just needed that me time, just time to hang out with friends. I don't make friends. I don't have friends. If you ask me who is your best friend, I'll tell you it's my mom. I don't make friends. I don't have friends. Anybody I call my friend that is in my life, it is that he or she is there for a purpose. So I called one of my friends that she stays around, and are you around? I want to come and hang out, talk and chat before going to work. She was like, yeah, I'm around. But there is nothing in the house. There's no food in the house, So I was like, what do you want to cook? She said she wants to cook rice, but there is no food in the house at all. So I as I was going, I bought some foodstuffs as we were going. But when she said that there is no food in the house, I didn't understand what she meant by that. I didn't know she meant there was nothing in the kitchen, you guys. So when I was going, I stopped by the market. I bought a few things as I was going, and then when I got there, it happened that she wasn't alone in the house. She was there with a few of her other friends. Like there were 3 in the house plus her. I think there were 3 in the house, and then I came in, we were 4. Well, on a norms I would have left, but then I was like, it's been long I have been in this kind of setting. It was the last time I was in school. The last time I hung out with girls in a room or in that setting was when I was in school. So after I got married, I didn't really have time for those kind of hangouts anymore. So then on the second thought, I was like, well, who knows, you could learn 1 or 2 from your discussions, So we started I brought out I gave her the things I came with. So they came together, wrote down a list of the things they need to buy to cook the rice and the stew. They contributed money, and then they started cooking. As they were cooking, after I have bought the ones they have bought, so they still contributed money and bought some things because there was nothing in the house. So as they were cooking, they ran out of gas. Everybody just went back to bed and they laid down. And I was like, what? Are you trying to tell me that amongst all of you here, you have no money to fill your gas and finish up the food that you were cooking? In fact, I didn't talk actually. Like in my mind, a lot of things was going on in my mind. And then I was like, okay, babe, come on, let's go out and fill this cylinder. No matter how little, just so you can finish up this food. So I took her to the gas station. She filled in the cylinder. We came back. We finished cooking. She finished cooking the food. I ate. We all ate. And then I zoomed off. I came back to my studio. On my way back to my studio, I was just singing on top of my bike. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what Lord has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise you what the Lord has done. So, like, it's when I was coming home, I spent like, when you wake up and you feel like you're down, you just need to hang out with your friend, and then when you go there, it's more like as though she was actually waiting for you to come. Like, in my mind, I was like, so if I hadn't come here, how would these people have done this? Like, okay, does it mean like a whole lot of thoughts was on my mind? But then when I was coming back, I wasn't thinking about all of those things, or how I was the one that made almost all of the expenses and all of those things. All I was just calculating, all I was just thinking of was, when you complain about some things that are not going well in your life, and then you look around, you experience some things, you encounter some things, and then you'll be like, Sha, my own still better, oh yes, so my own still better. At least I have, like, one of my resolutions this says, God, may I never go broke. I can't have money to cook or eat good food, even if you're broke and you're eating good food, you're able to feed well, you won't even notice that you're broke. So I was just so happy. I was so happy that I was in the midst of my fellow girls, my age mates, and I was able to do what they could not do without stressing. I was able to do what they could not do without stressing. I was able to provide. Well, some people may think they were using you, but I just see it as God just told me. It was a way of God telling me that I am in a good place. It was a way of reminding myself, no matter what I may be going through, no matter the difficulties I may be facing, no matter how stagnant and how stuck I think or I feel my business may be, I am still one of the blessed ones. So guys, whatever is it that is going on in your life right now, you must find a reason to thank God. You must find a reason to thank God, because for you to be able to get more, you have to appreciate the one that you have been given. If you don't appreciate what you have been given, I don't see how you can get more. I don't see how you can get more, or how you're going to get more. So it is very, very important for us to, count your blessings. Get a book, get a pen and a paper. Write down the things God has done for you. Write down the things that has been going good, that have been good in your life. No matter how little, you thank God for life. You thank God for food. You thank God for friends. When you have that is when you have good friends. So, boy, if you don't have good friends, I'm sorry, you're on the long thing. So yeah, this encounter I had with these friends of my friend, well, I don't know how to put it, but it made me think about a lot of things. So yeah, I'm grateful. The theme of the title of this episode is gratitude. Having reasons to thank God. Try to find one. If you don't, thank God. If for the fact that you're able to talk, you thank God. In fact, if you don't know why you should be happy, or if you don't have any reason to thank God, why don't you go to a hospital? Teaching hospital, for example, like a big hospital, those kind of hospitals where you go into the emergency, you see this person with broken leg, people, there are people that have been in the hospital for years, the ones that have been discharged that don't have money to to pay off their bills, that are sleeping on the corridors of the hospital. Like, you would have a lot of reasons. Like these days, I just find reason to thank God. I just find reason to be happy. When I feel like I'm down, I give not for anything. I thank God for the man that He has blessed me with. God bless me with a good man. The man that gives me peace, especially peace. I just find things to thank God for. I thank God for my son. I thank God for my business. I thank God for my girls, the students God blesses me with on a monthly basis. I thank God for them. Like, I just find reason to thank God. I'm just so grateful these days. I'm just filled with gratitude. I'm just filled with gratitude. Business may not be going well now. The clients may not be trooping in and out, at least. But I'm grateful to God that clients are not trooping in and out. At least it has given me the time, an opportunity to make videos, to create content. Because being an online entrepreneur and an offline entrepreneur, guys, sometimes it is just so stressful. Like this afternoon, literally, I had to refer a client of mine to another person, to another nail artist, because I want to shoot a video. I know if I had taken that job, I would not be able to do this video. But then I just felt, instead of me making nails, I charged 6,000 naira for that nails actually. Instead of me instead of painting these nails and not be happy, why don't I just sit down in front of my camera and actually say this thing that would, make me like. Now I'm like, Dinaz, you're saying your business is not so going, it is not, as buoyant as it used to be. You're saying you're broke, but then you just discharged 6,000 naira for what? That kind of thing. But then thinking about it now, sitting down here, talking into the camera, talking to you guys, like, I'm like, yes, I am growing. Yeah, I changed the prices. I changed my prices last month, no, 2 months ago, and it has actually made my customer rates to drop. Yes, it has made my customer rates to drop. But I'm not really worried. Yeah, I'm not for everybody. Everybody is not for me. It is fine if they can't afford me. It is fine if they can't patronize me anymore because I increased my price. Like, it is fine. My people will still come. The people that knows the value of what I offer, they will come. And in the meantime, let's create content. It has given me time, and I actually like it. This feeling when you would accept any job, no matter how little they pay, just to get through, just to get money to feed, just to get money to, and then you're at a point where you see those kind of jobs again, and then you're like, no, I can't do this job for this price. I'm sorry. I can't do this job for this price. I'm sorry. You guys, it is so beautiful. It's nice. Hurry up. It's so nice. It is so nice. It feels so good. So I am just grateful. I am just living. I'm grateful. And part of this gratitude, it comes with God. Working with God, having a good relationship with God. God will make you happy for no reason. Like, you'll be happy for no reason. Like, the things that are supposed to make you sad will actually make you smile and be like, child, matured though. Child, matured though. So I don't know. Like, I'm just so grateful. I'm just this one baby girl that God has blessed. I don't have money. Okay, my money is coming. I'm not rich, but I'm rich. I'm not wealthy, but I'm wealthy. I have a lot of things. I feel like my wealth is here. My money is here. In my head, like I'm a billionaire. Oh my God, thank you, Jesus. So you guys, well, this marks the end of today's video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification button, click on that bell down there so as to be notified every time we upload a video. We upload our videos every Tuesdays and Saturdays. We upload only on Tuesdays, but these days, with the time that God has blessed me with, less clients, more time for myself and my videos and my content and my YouTube people, we now upload 2 times in a week. Yes! Yeah! So we upload on Tuesdays and on Saturdays by 7 p.m. Tuesdays and Saturdays by 7 p.m. So guys, stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Leave your comments down there. Let me know what you think about our videos. If you want to troll me, it is still fine. Feel free to troll your baby girl. At least I know I'm getting your attention. So yeah, thank you and God bless you. Stay tuned for the next episode of Dinaz Moment.